Okay, I got the second way to test it is I got everything plugged back in down there. Is to come to the upper board, pull this back cover off. You'll see the data cable here. If you don't have a test cable, you can do it from here. You would unplug your data cable from the upper board, plug in your Precor box right there, like so. See if I can. Okay, so I have the main data cable plugged into the box instead of the upper board. Got my meter right here. Kind of hard to do, but again, you want to put the positive on the plus and the negative on the negative. Like so. Yeah, kind of hard to do with one hand, but I have it plugged in here. I'm not making a good connection here, so bear with me. Now I have a better connection here. You can see on my meter, it's 9 volts. And if this number was jumping all around, then you're going to need an IFT drive. But this IFT drive, this is what it should do. Should read 9, a little over 9. This indicates that the IFT drive is good. If it was bad, these numbers would be fluctuating all over the place. Once you get a steady connection and you're holding it good, it should read 9.